.io games. Whether you love them or hate them, they're everywhere nowadays. I mean, there's Sliver, Agario, and there's more generic ones. So I decided it would be pretty cool if I made a .io game. And so that's what I did. Now, how may I make this site, you might ask? I was originally going to use this site called mod.io, but I couldn't get it to work and all the tutorials online weren't helpful in the slightest. Hey man, I really don't understand how your program works. Can you teach me how to do some stuff? No. So not wanting to have to spend hours of my life trying to learn it, I decided to make the game in Scratch. And also I'm not using Unreal Engine because I'm still trying to learn how it works and I still don't fully understand, so yeah. I decided to call the game Penguin.io. And yes, I'm aware I've already made 4 Penguin games, and my last video was about those 4 Penguin games, but just... And so I immediately got to work on making the Penguin character sprite. I know it's not like the most complicated or good looking sprite out there, but remember, I'm not the best artist, and this is just a short game I made for a YouTube video, so it's not going to be that complex. I then coded in a movement system and also made it so if you stepped on that cyan, which is supposed to be ice, you would go faster. I thought this would be a cool way to maneuver around the map and maybe like get out your enemies. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is a combat-based game, so you'll be running around and using an icicle to battle other penguins. But the problem with the icicle is that it would make it so it would be hard to mask the fact that this isn't a real IO game. So instead I made it so the penguins puff up to attack each other. And then next, there was a list of things I had to do. For one, I added it so the player could die and stuff like that. I added a little screen at the beginning that will make it look like players were joining the game. And I made it so enemies would die and just wander around the map aimlessly and you would have to run around and fight. And I made it so they could fight each other if they ran into each other. All of this mumbo jumbo was a basic way to say I spent a long time at my computer. Yeah. You see, all IO games have 3 major key points. Online multiplayer, addictive and repetitive gameplay, and finally, some sort of scoreboard or some incentive to keep playing. I thought, how could I possibly make anything to do like that? I've already made fake multiplayer and all that, but how do I add an incentive? And then I got an idea. A fake leaderboard. The way I would implement this is by adding a score that would go up by 1 for every second you're alive during the match, and would go out by 10 for every opponent you outlive. And then at the end, it was like, you win, you placed, and it'll show you a random number that's randomly generated on the worldwide leaderboard. This way, it could trick players into thinking that they could get higher and higher, and they might replay. By the way, I don't actually think anyone would fall for this. I just think it's funny to say like it would, like they would. And then I finally added a med kits because your health went down too fast, so you and the AI bots could heal. And now it's finally time to show off the finished product. So let's log in. I'm going to choose my name, and now we're waiting. I had this little U thing because it was hard to tell them apart, so there you go. I changed up the map, and I changed this to purple to avoid the penguins getting hit by this, to avoid the detection marks. So it should start soon, and then we're gonna play. Yep, okay. Okay, ooh, yeah, see, this is my health right here, this is my score. Ooh, oh, someone picked up that med kit. Dang it. Ooh. So a med kit spawns every 7 seconds, and you really want to get them. Gotta be careful attacking other players. Players, heavy quotation marks on that. because if you, I forgot what I was saying, but basically, you gotta be careful attacking other players, because your health goes down just as fast as theirs do. Ooh, ooh. Okay, we might win this. So yeah, medkit spawns every 7 seconds, so let's go and pick that up. And the bots can pick these up too, so be careful of that. Okay. Good. So yeah, basically, I just made them on a timer, and they just run around randomly. Ooh, final one! Oh, come on. Ooh, we won! I forgot to... The screen doesn't work for some reason. Let's check. Ooh, okay. Yeah. I'll just show you the screen. For some reason, it's not working. But yeah, this is what you see when you won. So apparently, I placed 1,210 on the leaderboard. We click space, and then we're back here. Oh, I forgot the... Okay, so yeah, it's very glitchy and doesn't work that well. But I made this in like an hour, so yeah. I'll probably fix this later. So, what do you guys think of this little tech demo? Would you like me to add more to this? Would you like me to polish it up and release this on Game Jolt? By the way, if I update this, I will not be adding actual multiplayer, so yeah, be aware of that. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'll definitely be making more. And yeah, see you in the next video. Yo, thank you all for watching this video. This did not take too long to make, but between editing and making the game, this took about 2 hours to make. So not too bad. Honestly, I'm extremely happy for this new channel, and I'm enjoying making these new devlog type videos a lot. So if you could subscribe to the new channel if you enjoyed this video, that would be very appreciated. I probably won't be uploading on Tuesday like I did for the first 3 days of this channel's existence, because school and stuff like that. But I will be trying to work on learning Unreal Engine and trying to get something like that out for you guys. See you then.